For years, backlashes were inevitable, until now. Introducing the Curado DC, the future of bait casting. For the first time, technology changes the way anglers control every cast. The retrieve is effortless and consistent, keeping you in control and connected to every movement below the surface. Control doesn't stop after the cast. With smooth drag performance and precision engineering, Curado DC delivers confidence through every moment of the fight. From aggressive pike exploding out of the weeds to hard-fighting largemouth buried deep in heavy cover, the Curado DC delivers the precision, control, and confidence anglers need to chase whatever species lies beneath the surface, no matter the conditions or where the water takes them. Don't just take our word for it. Let's hear from someone who actually uses it.
The Curado DC is honestly a game changer when it comes to fishing. I've fished with a few other bait casters and fishing reels, and this one right here is by far my favorite.
Stop wasting time untangling line and spend more time catching fish like this.